Hey, hi Jill. Good morning.
Streeter, how was One Summit?
Oh, I didn't stay for long. I had something personal, emergency kind of a thing.
Hmm.
So I had to just leave soon after my first session. But what I heard, it was pretty good. I mean, responses were really good.
Good. And then Arpit got stuck out there.
Yeah. So is this still in India?
I think he might be. He told me he'll be
Okay.
back on Thursday, so I don't know where he is exactly right
Maybe
now.
maybe he's taking the Pacific route now, I think.
Yeah, probably instead of going through Middle East somewhere. I would
Yeah.
imagine. I'm guessing.
Yep. Yeah,
Yeah.
Paul, he was supposed to go to Mobile World Congress but couldn't because of the airspace restrictions.
Yeah.
Crazy world we're living in.
Totally crazy world. How are you all doing?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
Good, good. I'm busy around here. It
Yep.
seems like, one major project ends, another starts. They like to keep me busy.
Yep, they sure do. We know that feeling.
hmm So I'm considering going to the SNIA event in Denver at the end of April for F5, but I might end up also doing a SNIA event in Santa Clara, and I think it's later in the year.
What is it?
Um,
A SNIA event?
SNIA, SNIA, Storage Networking Industry Alliance, I think.
Okay.
It's another, is, sweetheart, is it another Linux Foundation project?
Oh, that's a
Or
good question.
I don't know if
I
it's
don't
another open
think it
source
is.
project.
SNIA
Um,
is not SNIA is not part of LF, I think. Yeah, SNIA is
okay.
not part of.
Yeah. But uh, OPI has interacted with SNIA quite a bit in the past. Joe White, who's on the TSC from Dell,
Hmm.
he's very involved in SNIA. Um, so F5 is becoming involved in storage optimizations,
Okay.
and there's there could be a F5 on a DPU for storage optimizations story, and I'm investigating that to see if speaking at that conference makes sense. If I do, it will be around DPUs and what F5 has done with them, and I'll bring up OPI as part of that, I'm certain. But um, that is still to be determined if I'll go to
Yep.
that second conference, and the call for papers is open for it now. But I haven't submitted one yet. Still trying to see if budget is a
Yep.
possibility from F5 for all of that.
Okay. If you need anything from us, let us know.
Yeah, I mean, if I do it, we'll cross post it and that sort of stuff. So
Okay.
with OPI, let's see. I see that Sam is onboarded. I'm trying to get him connected to the VPN. I've got to get it. I've got to find 2 hours in my schedule where I can sit down and go fix the VPN. When they tore out
Uh,
the console server, they tore out all the cables to the big IP, and we got those cabled back up, but now I need to go rebuild the config. So I'm gonna do that.
yeah, yeah, Paul, we need your help on that.
Yeah. Um, I may see if I can get some assistance from one of my other colleagues to do that. Um, it's his bread and butter. It's what he does day in and day out, and he would be able to do it quickly. But he is prepping for our user conference next week, so
Hmm.
working on that.
Yep. There's always too many things going on, for sure.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Anything else that we need to do? Is there any
I
Anything?
announcements about the that we want to make about the the interns and the people coming on to do work at OPI? Is there anything we want to mention is that's noteworthy there?
Yeah, if we've
See,
got, yeah, go ahead, Sridhar.
sorry. No, basically, first thing is on the blueprint, Paul. I have added
Hmm.
you as a reviewer. I got two reviews, and maybe if you also want to review it, the PR, the pull request. So maybe if you approve it, then we can make it public. Then maybe
Oh,
Jill can work on it, and maybe we can put up in the website or later write an article in LinkedIn. So basically, Jill, we have now a proper documentation of about blueprint. What is a blueprint? What do we mean
Oh,
by that? How is it different from a demo? All those details are nicely written now, and it's approved. It's in a PR stage. It's approved. I will merge the PR today. If Paul also maybe click OK and approves it.
yeah, I'll go
So
look at
once
I'll go to
you
GitHub now. Is it I assume that's what you're
Yeah,
uh
yeah, yeah, yeah. In GitHub, I have added you as a reviewer. So if you can okay it, I will merge the PR so that Jill can take it from there and see what we do. We can put a link in the website telling that hey, we have this everything about blueprint there in GitHub already. Maybe we can put a snippet in the website also, and also maybe put it in a LinkedIn or in some article telling that
mm-hmm.
this is what blueprint is about. All
is it in the
in the
which
OPI in
repo
OPI project / OPI.
slash OPI
The
main
repo is
repository?
OPI itself, the main repository. Yeah, so that's the thing, and we can also link to that, to saying that hey, we already have the first blueprint ready, and two more blueprints is coming up this year, kind of a thing, something like that, like a teaser.
First is ready. We have two more coming. Okay. Do we know
Yeah.
what the other two are going to be on?
Oh, actually 3 or 4 are there in the proposal.
Okay.
It's actually how team will get together and complete it. That will bring to my
That's what's on
second.
the GitHub.
The proposals are not there yet in the GitHub. It's still in
Okay.
our wiki, in our what is that? Where we do the meeting minutes. Oh my God, the groups.io, the groups.io wiki where we all keep the TSC meeting minutes, right? It's still there. Maybe we will once TSC up okays it, we can bring it up.
Okay.
We
If it if
maybe
it's
two.
it if it's in a state where I can use it to craft a blog, can you send me a link, or do you want to wait until it gets approved?
Oh, blueprint is, I can send it to you by the end of the day. I will send it to you about the blueprint.
Okay.
I think you can put it as a blog or maybe pick some of the few things from that. It's like a multi-page document. It has a kind of
Okay.
a fact. It's kind of a fact, like a Q&A types, so that we can pick some points and put it as a blog.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, and second thing is the same thing about related to blueprint, right? OAI, Open Air Interface folks have applied for associate membership for OPI. They want to bring the telecom story as a blueprint to OPI. Basically, they want to run their 5G core on DPUs, right? And showcase the advantage of using DPUs and IPUs for 5G. Uh, so that use case that they want to showcase. I had invited them when I met them in Sweden. Now they have applied for membership, associate membership. I said
Wait. Who is
OPI has
this?
this policy that open air interface that Duranta
Oh,
folks.
OAI. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Those folks. So now if they come in and now then we can say that we will soon have this of their 5G core running on DPUs and IPUs, something like that. I'm hoping that blueprint will come out this year so that we can talk about the telecom domain also as one of the use cases.
Okay.
So Daphne, I had messaged you. They haven't received any response. It seems it's been more than 2 weeks that they're asking me like what's happening.
Yeah, sorry about that. I just backtrack. I missed it, but I just sent a DocuSign like a few
Okay,
minutes
awesome,
ago. Yeah.
awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for flagging it.
Yeah. So yeah, so they will become our associate member. Maybe once they joins in, then we can say that hey, this will be coming soon, kind of.
I love it.
Because I think
Yeah, I'll
open
monitor it as well.
Yeah, because OAI is kind of well known in this in our field. If they are joining hands with OPI and showcasing that blueprint, maybe it has some good. It will create some momentum.
Sridhar and folks, question, grammar question.
Yep.
When LF refers to open source, is it open hyphen source? Open
No
source,
hyphen.
one word, no
Two
hyphen.
words, no hyphen.
Two word. That's what I thought.
Yep, that's our branding.
Uh, um,
AI likes to hyphenate it.
well, yeah, and it's
Yeah.
hyphenated throughout this entire markdown file, but I'll approve it and then ask for an issue to change it from hyphen to not.
Okay, and whenever I do the blog, we'll make sure that nothing in there is hyphenated, but that's a good catch.
I
Happens a
thought that was
lot.
the case. Yep, yep.
Okay, so Paul, you mentioned some interns and some new folks on the team that maybe we should highlight.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that I think let's wait for 2 more weeks and
Okay.
then
Okay.
highlight because we want to finalize this work load and everything. What exactly he will be doing. In that case, we will be in a better position to highlight that. So please give me maybe a few more. I mean, 1 or 2 weeks more. Then we can. I'll get
Okay.
back on this.
All right, so we'll prioritize doing the blueprint stuff first. Sounds like that's a little bit
Correct.
closer to being ready, and then from there. Okay, I love
Correct.
it. I don't have any more updates about OCP EMEA Summit except that we we do have space in the booth. So I'll try and follow up again with those folks from Red Hat and Keysight that were wanting to demo,
Mm-hmm.
just to confirm, because we want to make sure somebody's there before we, put our name on the booth. So I will
Yeah.
take that action item. I know it's been everything not related to Mobile World Congress has kind of gone on the backside. I think Daphne knows this, until probably about today. Um, is F5 doing anything there this week?
At Mobile World Congress?
Yeah,
Yeah, lots going on there. I'm not sure.
you're not involved though.
I'm not.
That's good. It's always chaos.
It's huge and it's chaos and it's uh it's very sore feet. Um
Yeah, I was actually happy to not have to go this year.
yeah.
Okay. I also
Ah,
need to,
oh,
yeah, go ahead,
go ahead.
Daphne.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask about OCP. Like, they want us to prepare the um list again for speakers that we could mine and then hopefully arrange a meeting during the event. Same thing that we did last year.
Do we,
Uh,
are you
yeah.
talking about EMEA Summit or the one in October? Global Summit.
Uh, we have one this coming April, right? Was it
Yeah,
April?
yeah, that's the EMEA Summit. Okay.
Yeah. Same thing that we did last year. Shadar, like, do you want us to arrange meetings with some of the board if they will be there?
Sorry, I was speaking on mute. No, no, not in the semi Daphne. We will try for the main global one.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay, that makes sense. I was gonna start. I've been trying to see if the speakers are up already, and yeah, thanks. Good thing I clarified that. I was gonna mine it, and usually it takes like hours to do all of those. So yeah.
Oh, I bet. I don't know that we're gonna, I think we have a smaller presence at this event than we do at the global one in San Jose.
Uh, what are the chances this time, Jill?
What's that?
What are the chances for us getting something at the OCP Global?
Oh, OCCP Global. I don't know. They aren't engaging us on that currently.
Okay. Maybe if they open up for co-locating something, we can right away book it.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I
But
know. So,
if you look at how we ran thing, right, the cost was very reasonable. We did a very good job with the budget we used. So we can try. In the worst case, if we don't, we will use LF's arrangement itself.
yeah. Yeah, it's like the bigger they get, they've been harder to
Yeah,
work with.
correct. And they're grown huge.
Yes. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Well, it's unfortunate that it's harder to work with them, but I understand why because, we don't have the money that a lot of these big companies do that get priority.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I know we need to kind of get that mapped sooner than later so we have time to do however we're going to end up doing it.
I know.
So I'll
Four
bug them
years back, it
again.
4 years back, it was so easy to get a co-located with OCP.
I know. I know. Those days are no more. All right. I spent a little bit of time on the pitch deck, not to where it's worth anybody looking at it right now. So that's also on my list of things to get to now that Mobile World Congress is out the door. So hopefully we can get a polished up version of that to continue working on pretty soon here. Anything else to cover off on?
But just a quick update. I'm trying, NTT Docomo has confirmed that they want to meet with us. Still confirming time, but most likely I'll send over the invite or I'll propose some times to you, Paul, if you're available. And the rest of the board, if anyone of them also would like to join.
Okay, sounds good.
This is a membership meeting?
Yes.
Awesome.
Okay, great.
So we should also involve Red Hat somehow because they are
Yes,
working
I was
very
thinking
closely with the
Balaj
Red
and
Hat.
or Simon.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Once I get some time slots, I'm gonna share them and then I'll finalize the meeting.
Great. I know just one more thing before we go. I just remembered. I wanted to start doing member and developer spotlight blogs. Paul, can you think of anybody off the top of your head that might be interested in doing this to kind of help get a few set up so we can get other folks interested in it? It's just a good way to keep some fresh content.
Um, so you're thinking like a Keysight, having Venkat write something about what Keysight is doing with OPI,
Yeah,
have
basically it's
have
yeah,
Simon write something for Red Hat, Red Hat.
it's a
Yeah,
Q&A, so it's even easier than that. It's just a list of I can send you what we've done on some other projects and we can copy it and if we want to change up the questions we can, but the idea is to
yeah,
make it super easy for the members so that they don't have to spend a lot of time on it.
perfect. I mean, I'd suggest Venkat for Keysight, Simon for Red Hat, Miles for Intel, myself probably for F5. Um, that's where I'd start.
Okay. I'll get a form put together. Do you want to look at the questions before I send these out?
Sure, sure, you can send them to me and I'll take a look at them.
Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. Anything else? I'm glad we have some activity. It's light, but we have some activity that's good.
No, I tried to reach out to Excite, but the events that started last week, I don't think they will respond anytime soon.
Yeah, the same. They haven't responded to me as well.
Yeah, we may not get response maybe next 2, 3 weeks. I think.
Mhm.
They'll be busy.
Yeah.
Are they
Unfortunately.
featuring at GTC?
No, they're based in Israel.
Oh, okay, yeah. That makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Stupid geopolitics getting in the way of our jobs, huh?
yeah.
I know.
All right. Well, unless there's anything else, I think we can adjourn.
Perfect.
All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll talk
Thanks much,
soon.
all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.